Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Malaysia, the unlimited data. So actually guys, before we get started, you will need to click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. So at the end of the video, of course, I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM app and the eSIM profile on both devices, on the iOS and Android as well. So actually guys, first you will need to go with where do you need the internet tab or the search bar. Just tap it and look for Malaysia. Right, so this is the country. Go ahead and tap on it. And now guys, you will need to go with the number of days. And as far as you know, the eSIM offers unlimited data, eSIM plans for Malaysia with options for different trip lengths. So we have a month right here that's available, 1 day until a month. So actually you can go with a week, with a couple of weeks with a month extra, right? So for example, you will need to select the number of days. And as you can see, selected the 24 days for $59. And if you want to go with the month, it will add $9, which is very good for 6 days, or additional 6 days. And then it will go with the checkout right here. And now guys, you will need to choose a payment method. Of course, the card, the credit or debit card, the Apple Pay, the Google Play, the PayPal, Klarna, Twint, and we have multiple more payment methods. So just go then with pay and follow the prompt. So now guys, I'm going to show you how you can install the eSIM on the iPhone devices using the eSIM app. So actually guys, first you will need just to go and get the app or the eSIM app that you can install from the Apple App Store, and then just go to the eSIM page that you can find inside the app, right? Then just go with install. So you'll need to tap on install and then go and you choose the eSIM plan. It's the second option here under the primary, and then just go with done. So now guys, you will need of course to choose the primary as your default line, right? And then just go ahead and enable the or turn on the line and the data roaming. So that's the first method. The second method guys is to go with the QR code or the scan, right? So actually guys, you will need to go to the mobile data, and that's option you will find inside your device settings. Then just go with add data plan. Yeah, and now you will need to use the QR code, and then just scan the QR code right here. Use your default line as the primary and your eSIM plan as the mobile data, right? And don't forget to turn on the line and the data roaming as well. So for the Android devices guys, you will need to go with the eSIM app that you can find or install it from the Google Play Store, and then just go to the help or help center and go with the eSIM installation. So then you will need to go ahead and click on install here, then just go to the settings or tap on go to settings option, then activate the eSIM or eSIM and SIM manager and enable the data roaming, and just restart your phone if it's requested or necessary, right? And of course guys, that's the first method. The second one is to go to your device settings, go with connections, and then go with the SIM card manager right here. And then guys, you will need to go with add mobile plan option, and now you will need to scan the QR code and enable the data roaming as well. So if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for Malaysia, once again click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.